Hi everybody, Jake here with DmaxStore, and today we're going to be going over the DmaxStore XD Tubular Upper Control Arm Kit. This is a really good kit for anybody looking to increase the strength of their upper control arm or even improve ride quality. This bolt-in upper ball joint that is greasable provides increased stud swing so you can have more droop articulation than the factory control arms do. This is what improves ride quality. They feature polyurethane bushings that are greasable through the upper control arms, and that allows for years of noise-free operation. We also included this gusset within this for increased strength, as well as a place to mount your ABS line and your brake line bracket. We include hardware for the brake line bracket. This keeps it looking like an OEM fit and finish of this product, but easier serviceable with the greasable bushings and the bolt-in upper ball joints, so you can change them out really easily if you need to. If you're looking for the ultimate set of control arms to upgrade your 2001 to 2010 Duramax truck, this is the way to go. We have budget in mind, performance in mind, and we really took our time bringing these to market because we know they're what you're looking for.